Hello everyone, and welcome to Singapore. This vibrant city-state is a melting pot of cultures, a foodie paradise, and a shopper's dream. But with so much to see and do, where should you stay? Whether you're looking for ultimate luxury, a touch of history, or a smart, budget-friendly option, Singapore has the perfect place for you. So, grab your notebooks, because we're about to explore the best accommodations this amazing city has to offer. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk luxury. If you're ready to indulge, Singapore's five-star hotels are in a league of their own. Imagine waking up to breathtaking panoramic views of the city skyline or the sparkling Marina Bay. These hotels are more than just a place to sleep. They're an experience. Think infinity pools that seem to touch the clouds, world-class spas that will melt your stress away, and restaurants helmed by celebrity chefs. You can expect impeccable service where your every need is anticipated. Whether it's a glamorous staycation or the trip of a lifetime, these establishments redefine opulence. They offer direct access to premier shopping districts and iconic landmarks, putting the best of Singapore right at your doorstep. It's the perfect way to pamper yourself and create truly unforgettable memories. Now, let's step back in time and explore Singapore's enchanting heritage hotels. These aren't your typical modern skyscrapers. Instead, they are beautifully restored buildings, often former shophouses or colonial-era landmarks that are brimming with character and history. Staying in one is like living inside a story. You'll be captivated by the unique architecture, from intricate carvings and colorful facades to charming courtyards and antique furnishings. Each hotel has its own tale to tell, offering a glimpse into Singapore's rich past. While they honor their heritage, they don't skimp on modern comforts. You'll find a wonderful blend of old-world charm and contemporary amenities. If you're a traveler who loves culture, atmosphere, and a truly unique stay, a heritage hotel is an experience you won't want to miss. It's a much more personal and intimate way to connect with the soul of the city. Traveling to an amazing city like Singapore doesn't have to break the bank. Let's talk about the fantastic budget-friendly options available. From trendy hostels in vibrant neighborhoods like Kampong Glam or Chinatown to stylish and efficient capsule hotels, there are plenty of choices that are both affordable and comfortable. These places are perfect for solo travelers, backpackers, or anyone looking to spend more on experiences than on their room. But don't think budget means basic. Many of these accommodations offer great social spaces where you can meet fellow travelers from around the world. You'll find clean facilities, friendly staff, and often, surprisingly cool designs. They are usually located in central areas with excellent access to public transport, making it super easy to explore the city. So you can save your money for delicious hawker food and exciting attractions, all while having a cozy and convenient place to rest. So there you have it, a glimpse into the incredible variety of places to stay in Singapore. From the sky-high luxury of five-star hotels with their stunning views and unparalleled service to the historical charm of beautifully preserved heritage hotels that tell a story and the smart, savvy, and social budget stays that make traveling accessible to everyone, Singapore truly offers a perfect home away from home for every type of traveler and every budget. Whatever you choose, you're guaranteed to have an amazing base for exploring this dynamic and unforgettable city. We hope this has inspired you to start planning your own Singapore adventure. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel tips. See you next time.